In this video, I will be showing you how to access my new website. The link above is shown, animalsofsouthamerica.weebly.com. This is my main page, where I have a couple of little details about each of my pages, and I have 2 embedded videos. One of them I'm not sure that my kids will appreciate, but I hope they will, because I want the next generation to be able to be the change that the world needs. And I'm hoping by using this website and getting to learn more about other cultures and other places, that they will be able to understand and become the change. If you go up to the menu, you can click on any of these, and they will bring you to another main menu where you can click on some links, or you can go down and see some of my pages. So on this one, I did a compare and contrast, and I had 3 animals, and then I compared 2 of them. I also have more about biomes, for example, the rainforest, and I have colorful pictures, and I also have eating habits, which is short but to the point. Thank you, and please enjoy my website.